Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Snapchat notifications. All right, there are basically two ways to turn off the app's notification. First one here in the app itself. What we're going to do here is just open up our Snapchat app and go to our profile right here at the top left. Tap on your profile, then tap on the gear icon. Once you're in here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the option notifications. All right, tap on it. And in here, you can just go ahead and customize your notifications. You can go ahead and untick the notifications that you don't want. All right. Or you can go ahead and untick everything right here. All right. Now, if you're lazy like me, you can just go ahead and disable all notifications by just going to my home screen right here. Now I'm going to locate the app. And in here for Android, you're just going to want to tap and hold on the app itself and then tap on the information icon right here. Tap on it. And as you can see, there's a section called notifications. Just tap on it. And as you can see here, it is currently enabled. Now to disable all notifications, just go ahead and disable this one. All right, from now on, you won't be able to receive any notification from this particular app. All right, that's basically how you do it. Now for iOS, just go head over to General, then go to Apps, then Manage Notifications, turn it off, and you'll be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.